Are you struggling to make your resume stand out? Adding a professional photo can give it that extra touch, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in Canva, step by step. First, open your Canva resume template. On the left-hand side, you'll see a tab called Uploads. Click on it and then select Upload Files to choose the photo you want to add. Canva makes it super easy. Just pick your image and it will appear in your Uploads library. Now, if your resume template already has a photo placeholder, simply drag your photo onto it. Canva will automatically fit it into the space. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first, you can adjust it. Just double click the image and you'll be able to resize, rotate, and reposition it until it looks just right. If your template doesn't have a placeholder, no problem. Go to the Elements tab, search for frames, and choose one that fits your design. Drag your photo into the frame, and just like before, adjust it until it's perfectly placed. Frames help your photo look neat and professional without any extra hassle. Once your photo is in place and you're happy with how it looks, take a final look at your resume. Make sure everything is balanced, clean, and visually appealing. And that's it. You've just added a professional photo to your Canva resume in no time. Adding a photo can make your resume more personal and memorable, and with Canva, it's easier than ever. Go ahead, try it out, and watch your resume stand out from the rest.